What's up, guys? Welcome to the Piston Slap channel. Today's motovlog is not going to be much of a motovlog, but more of a sound test of what this pipe sounds like. Obviously, it's going to sound a little bit different through each and everybody's microphone, how they have their sound setups, but this is how I have mine set up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have like idle, cruising, and then probably like ripping through the gears and stuff like that, so that everybody can have a chance to, you know, hear what the different things is. Because just, you see a lot of guys that do sound test and it's like, oh, well, this is what it sounds like, you know, when it's just sitting on a stand and they rev the balls out of it. And that's not really, you know, I want to hear some engine load. I want to hear what it sounds like under a load. You know, you get different sounds. So without further ado, I'm just going to throw a bunch of different clips of the sounds that I've put together between cruising and under a load, high acceleration, and stuff like that. If you guys have any questions or comments, or you just even overall like the sound of it, you know, go ahead and hit that like button, throw a comment down there. I'll have a link in the description of where you can get this exact pipe. Also, before I go into the different sound qualities, the bike does have a tune in it from Graves. It's right on their page, so when you click that pipe, you'll see down, I think it's like the third tab over, we'll have a tune file for the slip-on. It's not mandatory that you have it, but you know, why spend the money for a pipe and not, you know, tune the bike to go with it, you know, to have everything balanced out right. So alright guys, so we'll go ahead and get this rolling through the different things, and obviously you're not going to hear me talking, so it is what it is. We'll walk around the other side for the sound.
Hey guys, thanks for joining the Piston Slap channel. Every sound clip that you've heard is done with the decibel killer removed. It is an aftermarket exhaust. I did it for, you know, basically the sound, the weight savings, the performance. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down there in the comment section below. Hit that thumbs up button if you've liked it. Share it on your favorite social media. I'm Robert. Thanks and ride safe.